Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to talk about percents today. Now, sometimes students have trouble when we have a percent. Do you multiply? Do you divide? So hopefully we can fix that today. So remember, a percent is just a ratio that compares a number to 100. Okay, so let's remind ourselves, how do we write a percent as a decimal? So if I have a percentage, all I have to do is divide by 100. And then it gives me my decimal. Or we move the decimal 2 spots over. So 50% is 0.50 or 0.5. That's fine. Doesn't matter how you write it. Let's write a better 5 there. Okay. So 0.26, or I'm sorry, 0.26. 26% would be 0.26 or 0.26. 150%, how would you write that? Again, we move our decimal over 2, so that would be 1.5. So whenever we are solving with a percentage, we need to make sure we change it to a decimal. Remember, from writing expressions and equations, of means multiply, and what is or what percent, that's where our variable goes. So the word what is kind of our cue there. So it says find 50% of 20. So I'm going to say 50% is 0.5. Of means multiply 20. 50% of 20 is 10. Okay. Again, some of you are going to be like, Miss Hawes, I can do that. That's great. Just trying to give you techniques for when it's not as easy. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and look at this next one here. Why don't you go ahead and try that one? So again, we're going to change this to a decimal, which will be 1.05. Of means multiply 72. We're going to have 1.05 times 72 is 75.6. Okay. Which makes sense because we're doing over 100%, so the number should get bigger. If we were doing less than 100%, the number should get smaller. I'm just going to go ahead and erase this because it's bothering me. So 75.6. Now this is kind of where more of our equation comes into. It says what percent, so x, of multiply 60 is means equals 15. So in order to get this, I'm going to go ahead and divide by 60. So 15 divided by 60 is 0.25. But it says what percent? This is a decimal. So I need to multiply this by 100. So this would be x is equal to 25% because I just moved my decimal over 2. Okay, so make sure on a test, if it asks what percent and you just tell me 0.25, you will get points off. Okay, so make sure if it says what percent, we actually change it back to a percent. So go ahead, let's try this one. So we have 440 is means equals. Equal signs go this way usually. What percent is x? Of means multiply 400. Okay. Again, I have to get x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 400. So we are going to have 440 divided by 400, which is 1.1. Okay. Again, it says what percent, so I need to change it to a percent, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by 100, which would be 110%. Okay. Which makes sense because 440 is bigger than 400. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. Why don't you try this one? 40%, going to change it to a decimal. 0.40 or 0.4 is fine. Of means multiply. What number is x? Is means equals 14. So again, we're going to divide by 0.40, I apologize. So then we're going to have 14 divided by 0.4, which is 35. Okay. And it didn't ask for a percent. It says what number? So 35, and we are golden. Okay. I hope this video finds you well, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.